Meaning of indispensable.
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 Indispensable. The word indispensable means absolutely necessary or essential. Something that is indispensable cannot be done without and plays a critical role in achieving a goal or purpose. It is often used to describe people, skills, qualities, or resources that are crucial to the success of a project or organization. For instance, an indispensable employee is someone whose knowledge, experience, or expertise is vital to the smooth functioning of a company. Overall, the term indispensable implies that the thing being referred to is so important that it cannot be replaced or substituted.